So back to chat, part two, looking for money. And this is how I analyze and look for the pairs I trade and watch out for. At first I came to US. I was seeing a buy setup with my Algo structure, but it didn't align with my premium and discount zone. You might be wondering, what is premium and discount zone? Premium and discount zone is the zone where I try to decide if I am looking for buys or sells. So, but watch out for what I'm trying to show you now, because now we're not talking about premium and discount zone. We're showing analysis of the new week, and I'm going to drop a how you use your premium and discount zone, which I'll also be using why I'm analyzing and showing you, so that you see how I trade and make my money by myself, being confident alone by myself. After a year, you can see that things are really working out here. So back to chat, guys. Let's go look for this trade. So make some money. Okay, guys. So I was watching, which pair was I putting on? Okay, I think it was AUDNZD. I'm seeing a very, so first of all, you have to go to the 1 hour time frame. I love to look for my entry at the 1 hour time frame. Then anything I see on the 1 hour time frame, I'm going to use the higher time frame Fibonacci level to know what I'm deciding and if I'm correct with what I'm deciding. So straight here to the chart, guys. So what am I seeing currently here? I can see my algo structure here, which is very clean, very obvious. This is what I can see here now is this is my algo structure. This I trade algo structure. I use confirmation entry on my TA or trading TA. I love to add up many confidence on what I'm trading, so that it's going to make more sense to me. Not just me trading like that without even knowing what I'm doing, and at the end of the day when I lose money, I'll be like, oh, this thing is scam, this, that. So you need to seek what you don't know and apply them to your trading skills, so that it make more sense. So what I'm trying to say is that I don't just trade alone like this. So you can see, let me first of all break down the TA for you before going to the confirmation entry, because I also use confirmation entry, but it's not something I'm going to show you here. I paid to learn for it, so don't just expect to get it for free. So straight to the chart here, guys. So what I can see here, this is my algo structure. Now I can see here, where's my liquidity, which is this low here. What is liquidity? Liquidity is just basically what fuel the market to buy or sell, and this is my low high that I'm expecting to respect it. And is this liquidity even correct? And what type of liquidity has been created here? Currently, what I'm seeing here is type 3, but I think I'm gonna get type 1 liquidity here probably, or even type 3 is also valid. You can use it, and you can see it's trading at my 50% discount zone, showing that yes, this liquidity is valid and my entry is close to this other block here, making it more valid. It's close to my, yeah, it's very close. I love this setup. So is this alone valid my setup? No, I have to add other code. I have to use the higher time frame Fibonacci level to also spot where this trade is coming from and what I'm doing. So what am I watching out for here? Is this zone? Where is this zone coming from? This that is pushing this market to the downside. Where is it coming from? And zooming in with my 4 hour, I think I'm not getting something clear here. I need to go up. Okay, I see something here, but I still need to go to the daily time frame. So yeah, marking out from this high to this low, what I can see and tell is that market is at the premium zone. This is our premium zone here. Let's make this thing bigger. Oh, okay. Maybe premium black, or even more bigger, maybe 40. Cool. So these are premium zone and this is our discount zone using the higher time frame. And how do I say discount and premium zone? You can see from this low to this 50% is our discount, and the high is our premium. And when the market is at the premium, we look for sales, and in the discounts we look for buys, right? Okay, here what we can see now, market is currently at the premium zone, and you have not crossed this 50% very well to consider looking for your buys from here. And this, you can see I have 50%, I have 60%. I use this 60 for basically for me personally. Just 50% is cool for you to know what you're doing in the market. So you can see market is coming from the premium zone. And Yeah, I think my sell is going more valid. And I cut a sell at 1 hour, and now at the premium zone of the 4 hour, we can also see that yeah, markets at the premium zone we want to look for a sales, right? So let's go even higher. Let's go even higher and make this make more sense to us to really look out for. And on 1 hour, in the daily time frame, we can see market is buying. Oh shit. No, market is not buying. Market is selling. I can see this drop took out this low. So we're expecting same thing. Because yeah. So let's go to the weekly. I'm still looking to sell. To the weekly, yeah. Okay. We see a drop, a drop, a drop, a drop. You can see I also zoom very deep. I can even see I used to analyze, I used to I get to this point. It doesn't matter. Just as long as it's just for me, for my own good. Then what can we see here? We can see that this low was being taken out. The last low was being taken out by this guy. And this guy now has broken this high. And we're expecting it to take out this low for us to also consider him way more bullish. Looking at the more bigger time frame, we can say that oh, this thing is valid for a sell because it's dropping. And with the daily, we can also say market is dropping. You can see from here, market dropped and he respected this high was taken out and it dropped and this high was respected, tapping into this QMR and it sold off using that theory and it sold off taking out this low. So I think I'm going to expect same thing. But now we have another thing up here. You can see with the daily we have this guy here. But should we just sit back and just let's set up slide by? No, I'm not saying I'm gonna do that. I think even with the Fibonacci at this daily time frame, I'm not trading daily, I'm usually trading 1 hour. So even our Fibonacci is too far. So I'm not going to even consider waiting for this QMR up here. Coming to the 4 hour, coming to the 4 hour. With the 4 hour, you can already validate your setup that yeah, this setup is cool. You don't need to use the daily time frame. You are not swinging to go trade for more than a week or something because even some day trading you use 1 hour, 4 hours. Some days, to me, some days I would trade more than a day, 2 days. It depends. I just want to hold to my TP, and when it hits my TP, I'm okay. Okay, some days I just exit the market. It depends on how the market is moving here. So in the 4 hour, we can say that this setup is valid. And then Fibonacci is sitting at our 50%, and it's already type 3, very correct. And you need to take out this low to make it type 1. So I'm okay with this trade. I'm going to be watching out for AUDNZD for the week. I'm going to set an alarm and I'm going to move to other pairs to watch out for. So this is my first analysis for the week and I'm analyzing this 8:10. What's the time? 7:10, 8:10 p.m. Nigeria time, 7:22 on July 27, 2025. So heading waiting for next week. So we strike the market, make our money, and we out of the market. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and click like the picture, and don't forget to tell me the next player you want me to watch out for, analyze and drop here so we make money, guys. So I'm watching out for other players why I drop this for you too. Watch out for also. Join my Telegram channel where I drop more of my setup so that you join me and watch out for the setup that I'm watching out for and make money from this market. Alright guys, thank you for watching and boom, let's